How to create a new task. The quickest way to add a new task is by clicking the plus icon next to tasks. Fill in the task details. Assign it to an employee. Click Create. You'll see a confirmation message once the task is created. Then, head over to Tasks and move your new task from unassigned to any section you've set up. You can organize these sections however it works best for your business. If you need to edit a task, you can edit a task from anywhere tasks are visible. Just go to Tasks in the left side menu, select the task you want to update, and make your changes. You'll see a confirmation message once everything is saved. Manage your tasks with ease in Dot5.